How to sell in Please Donate mobile. So first open up the browser of your choice and Google Roblox. You want to go to the first link, roblox.com. Then select continue in browser. Okay, so from here what we need to do is click on the three dots in the right hand side and select desktop site. If you're on iPhone, on the left of your link you should have two A letters. Press on them and select request desktop site website. So from here what we need to do is click on create, then select manage my experiences under start creating. So from here what we need to do is click on at the top right corner of our place, public place. So just click right here. If you're not able to select it, just go back and keep clicking until you click on the three dots. You see there are three dots right here. So after we have managed to click on the three dots, click on create badge. We can cancel this. We just needed to be taken to a different page. So now we're at the associated items. So from here, if you want to sell a pass on Please Donate, you create a pass. If you want to sell a t-shirt, then all you have to do is select t-shirt. So I'm going to show you how you can create a pass because it's free. So you click on create a pass, you upload an image, you write a name, description, and then you click on create pass. Now before this appears in your booth though, what we need to do, I'm not going to create another one because I already have plenty, but I'm going to show you how you can make it appear in your booth. So let's click on this one, for example, and then you want to click on the three lines on the left hand side next to dashboard. Just keep clicking until it opens, and right here we need to select sales. So here is actually where you put the price for this game pass. So I'm going to change it to 12, for example. Make sure you click on item for sale if it doesn't say so. And let's make it 12. And then we need to click on save changes. And now you will have a game pass which you are able to sell in Please Donate Roblox. So simply go back to your game, refresh your booth, and you will have a game pass. So that is how you sell in Please Donate mobile. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.